I welcome you back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'm going to expose to you some of incredible deal a lot of people are missing because they don't know that they have to reactivate their membership on 1688. So if you are the type and you are using this particular membership to have a discounted product on whatever you purchase on 1688, but all of a sudden this is tough because your activation member has expired, what you need to do is to stay tuned to this video, see how you can reactivate your membership and how you can continue to enjoy products at all discounted price and save big on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then it's going to take you right here. However, if you cannot find your membership right here, it means that you are using outdated 1688 app. So what you need to do is to simply go ahead and update the app. If you don't know how to update the app, let me simply walk you through. For you to update your app, click on here. Then go ahead and scroll down right here. And it's going to take you right here. Make sure you click on here and update to the latest version. As at the time of making this video, the current version here is 11.75.0.0. This is the latest version. Once you update to this version, you will have access to all the features as far as this new membership reactivation is concerned. So next thing I'm going to do is to go back. Then right here now, for me to reactivate my membership on 1688 Chinese shopping app to enjoy more discounted deal on any product under the membership category, what we want to do is to click on this plus sign right here. It's going to take us to membership section right here. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here. Then this is going to pump up and connect to your Alipay right here. For you to reactivate your membership plus right here, in order to enjoy every discounted on any product you purchase on 1688, you will need to pay an annual membership of 99 yen. Once you pay this particular money with your Alipay, then your membership will be reactivated and you start enjoying discounted coupon on any product you purchase on 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app to ship products from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.